everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious fish recipe with garbanzos and potatoes. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. And today I will show you how to make it delicious fish curry. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make a delicious fish recipe. The fish I'm going to use is a halibut. This is the frozen and I will show you how I'm going to take the ice out. And we're going to use 1 pound. To make it delicious, we're going to use the chickpeas, which we call it garbanzos, and 2 potatoes. And for tadka, 1 onion, 1 inch ginger, and 3 garlic clove. And tomato sauce, spices from masala dabba, and olive oil for tadka. So I'll show you how we're going to take the ice out. So the first step will be, we're going to push this back. Get 1 big bowl with cold water inside. Get the fish pieces. So I'm going to place it inside the cold water. Don't puncture the bag, let it sit for like a half an hour. Then I'll change the water 1 to 2 times. So within half an hour, there will be no more ice. So these are the final ingredients: ginger, garlic, onion, diced. These are garbanzos, chickpea. These are pre-cooked. Potato, peel, cut into nice cube-sized pieces. 2 cup water. For the fish, I kept it big pieces. Half cup tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, salt, cumin, coriander, garam masala, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon each, black pepper, half teaspoon, and turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. And let's start making our delicious fish curry. Start burner. Get a karahi, add olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin. Cook for like 10 seconds. This is good. Now we're going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it and cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cook like 20 seconds. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it. And keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to cook onion until they are nicely translucent. Cooking tadka for 3 minutes. Now add all the spices. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices with tadka for 1 minute. Now we're going to add tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cooking tomato sauce for 1 minute. Our tadka is fully cooked. I'm going to add 1 cup water. Mix it well. As the water started to boil, now we're going to add potatoes. Mix it. Now bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid, and now we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it. I'm going to stir it so it won't get burned at the bottom. So within 10 minutes, the potato will be fully cooked. It's exactly 10 minutes. I opened it once after 5 minutes and I stir it. Mix it. We check our potatoes. They are cooked. They are little firm, but they still need cooking. Now we're going to add the chickpeas, garbanzos, mix it. Now we add 1 cup water. Altogether, we added 2 cups water. The gravy you always can adjust according to your need. If you need a running gravy, you add more water. If you need like this, then it's good. But I'm going to add 1 cup more water. So altogether, we added 3 cups. Mix it. Now we're going to add the fish pieces. With soft hands, mix it. On medium gas. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. And after 5 minutes, stir it once. It's exactly cooking for 5 minutes. Mix it. The fish don't take that long to cook. As you can see, within 5 minutes it's nicely cooked. But we want to cook 5 more minutes. So altogether 10 minutes. After mixing it, we're going to cover with the lid again and cook additional 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking. Altogether we cook 10 minutes. Halibut fish curry is all ready. The last ingredient, kasuri methi. After adding kasuri methi, mix it. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes on simmer. Another 2 minutes on a simmer. I'm going to open the lid. Our dish is all ready. Turn up your gas. And my serving platter ready. And look at the delicious fish curry. Let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's so easy to make. It's a super tasty and super delicious. You always can serve with the rice pilaf, and this is a perfect main course dish. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.